Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Pisces? Kamusta ang negosyo? Kamusta ang puso? Kamusta ang pag-ibig? Let's see. Kamusta ang career natin dyan? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. Alright? For your personal reading, you can send me a direct message. And then, remind ko ulit kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo. Pag nagme-message yan, okay, hindi ako yan. If you're ready for your personal reading, send a direct message. And then, nilagay ko naman, no, alam niyo naman yung aking Viber number. Alright, Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. Let's see. Pisces. Ano meron para sa mga Pisces? Kamusta ang money flow? Alright. Meron kang hinihintay na blessing na dumating sa'yo, but it feels like parang laban-laban, bawi-bawi. Okay? There's a King of Wands energy here. Sabihin natin na hindi ganun ka-matured ang masculine na to, na para sa kanya is like nagdadamot, okay, at nag-hold back ng offer of love, attention, and for now, trying to move forward. Hindi ready ang masculine na to for a commitment and trying to move forward. Nagkaroon ng revelation, but it feels like naging on and off ang connection na to. Sinubukan namang magkasundo, but nagdala ng maraming overthinking, no? Yung pagkakaroon ng balikan, reconnection, reconciliation. Kasi hindi maganda yung foundation, no? Nung reconnection. It feels so shallow, kaya konting disagreements, gumuho na naman. Sabi ng masculine, magfo-focus muna siya sa pera, financial stability. The masculine is trying to move forward, but parang may blockage, no? Meron siyang gustong gawin na mabilis. Meron siyang gustong i-rush na proseso sa buhay niya. But it feels like may blockage for now. Nagkaroon ng broken heart, disappointment sa isang connection, no? But it feels like hindi naman talaga stable tong connection na to, kaya nagdala ng broken heart, disappointment sa relationship. Okay? Nagkaroon ng ending because of toxicity, bad habits, bisyo, third party, nagkaroon ng away. Nagkaroon ng like trying to weigh things, but it feels like both of you hindi na ready magbigay kasi naging sobrang toxic na ng connection na to. Pareho kayong umaatras muna because I feel magulo, may tension, na even kapag nag-usap kayo baka mag-clash lang. Someone wants to reach out and communicate and try to rebuild something here. The feminine feels betrayed and just trying to avoid conflict for now. Okay? Anong nangyari, Pisces? Naging paulit-ulit daw ang hurtful situation dito. Nagkaroon ng toxicity, immaturity, bisyo. Okay? Third energy. The reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng new beginning, new cycle para sa inyong dalawa. Sinubukan naman na mag-walk away, but it feels like parang may mga hang-ups here. There's a masculine figure here. It could be like nasa tamang edad na ang lalaki na to, but it feels parang may immaturity and stubbornness para sa kanya. Okay? Reason pa, sabi ng masculine, kailangan niyang maging honest sa connection na to, na parang ang dami na daw disagreements, ang daming conflict, Kaya sabi ng masculine, mag-hold back muna siya ng offer of love. Okay? There is a prayer and manifestation here para sa mga Pisces para magkaroon ng clarity, wisdom sa situation. Kasi merong gustong kausapin ng mga Pisces. Right now, nagkakaroon ng overthinking, sleepless nights, and may pinagpipray ang mga Pisces na wisdom para mayroon na siyang makausap na tao, okay? Para buuin lang niya yung mga gusto niyang sabihin, i-phrase ng maayos para maging okay yung pag-uusap. May tendency ang mga Pisces na parang right now is feeling emotional, kaya pinag-iisipang mabuti kung ano yung mga dapat sabihin. Right now, yung mga Pisces nagfo-focus sa dreams, wish fulfillment, doing the right thing, waiting for, okay. But it feels like, kung ano man yung mga wish fulfillment na yan, it feels like parang may blockage, may delays for now. You might be dealing with Aries, Virgo, Aqua, Libra, Gemini, Libra, yeah, this is air sign, maraming air sign. Cancer, okay. Your person right now, Pisces, ayaw na niyang magbigay ng effort. Sabi niya parang nasayang lang din yung time, yung effort sa connection na to. Marami din siyang inaayos about their own stability. Kung may hinihintay na divine justice or itama ang situation, mag-apologize, then do so. Merong mga doubts. May doubts yung masculine here. Kung ready ba talaga siya sa commitment. Because it feels like hindi. If yung feminine ang nagda-doubt, kung ready yung masculine, tama yung doubts mo na hindi siya ready. Okay. So, may parang distorted view yung masculine kung paano ba magmahal. Do tinatry naman niyang maging responsable. But, I feel yung mga dapat pag-usapan para maging malinaw lang, ano ba yung love, how you want to be loved, ano ba yung love language mo, para the person, kasi parang eto lang ha, kasi pag magkaiba yung love language, minsan, halimbawa yung isang person, ang love language niya regalo, so akala niya pag nagkamali siya, regalo would be okay na, absuelto na. Baka naman gusto nung isa is lambing quality times, to spend time together, para ma-rebuild yung relationship. Pero pinipilit yung isang, nag-gift na ako absuelto na ako. Ayun na may misunderstanding here, na someone feels na parang hindi na-appreciate yung effort, pero kasi baka yung effort na ibinibigay, hindi yun yung love language. Okay, nasasayang. Na parang, if you're pursuing a rabbit, then bigyan mo ng gulay, bigyan mo ng carrot. Baka binibigyan mo ng finest steak yung rabbit, hindi niya ma-appreciate kahit gano'n pa kamahalian. Okay? You get the point? So, until the end of April, may isang malaking blessing na hinihintay at darating para sa mga Pisces. But pagdating ng malaking swerte na to, may decision making din na kailangan gawin. And kung ano man yung decision na yan, you might feel emotionally triggered here. Because meron ka na namang ibabalanse. May nakikita akong ending here, meron ka nang tatapusin na connection. It feels like for mga Pisces, kung merong mga aayusin na connection, ibibigay mo pa rin yung attention mo, yung kumbaga mag-all in ka pa rin sa relationship na to. But it feels like matetest ang patience mo because magkakaroon ka na naman ng crossroads here at away energy. Because gagawin mo yung lahat para magkaroon ng pagkakasunduan and you would try to rebuild this connection. Pero parang mararamdaman mong kung ano yung itinaya mo, parang collapse na naman, talo na naman. Okay, so yun yung nakikita ko until the end of until the end of April, may darating na magandang biyaya, swerte, at mag-iisip ka kung ano ba talaga yung dapat mong gawin. Parang meron kang pagdidesisyonan kung ano ba talaga yung dapat. Matetest ang patience mo, magkakaroon ng like conflict. Magdi-decide ka, mag-iisip kang mabuti. And I feel may tatapusin ka na. You would try to rebuild yourself. You would try to rebuild from kung ano yung natira sa'yo. There's a feminine here na hindi na rin naman interesado. The wife energy. So para magkakaroon na ng finality ang relationship na to, natapos na. There are two feminines here that the masculine is trying to juggle. Okay? This is kasal, asawa, engaged, official girlfriend na pinangakuan, but may nagja-juggle ng dalawang feminine energy. May tatapusin. And someone would rebuild somewhere else. Okay? May nakikita ako dito na alam na nung person na namimili, especially on the masculine side, kung sino ang wish fulfillment niya. Mahalaga din yung pangako, but hindi maka-move forward. Magkakaroon na ng, kumbaga, mamimili na. At may tatapusin. Okay? And I pray, Pisces, makagawa ng tamang desisyon. Kung sino man yung bibitiwan, I feel, may iaareglo para hindi maghabol, para hindi manggulo. Okay? And that will be, for your crystals, PM lang ako para sa inyong mga crystals to heal your heart chakra. And that would be the Madagascar rose quartz, okay, the pink crystal. For mental clarity and divine connection, amethyst, no? Very classic yan if you're trying to connect with the divine. If you're manifesting abundance, we have here the Brazilian citrine. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. The courage to do what's best for you, and good luck. We have here the carnelian. Protection, anti-evil eye, anti-negative energy, bad juju, Madagascar black tourmaline. Meron din tayong yung Nazar bracelet, okay? Tinatawag na yung sa evil eye natin. Okay? PM for your crystals, for discounts, yung bundle sa mga promo natin, and for your personal reading. Okay? I feel, ang tagal na nito, no? Na parang moment of truth, na gustong mamili, nagde-decide. But I feel until the end of April, magkakaroon na ng decision, finality, kung ano man to, para hindi magulo. Because I feel may gulo, no? May gulo. So, yeah. Meron ka ina-expect na blessings. At pagdating ng blessing na yan, I feel is magkakaroon na talaga ng decision kung saan magre-rebuild ang masculine. Alright? And that would be the Pisces reading for the month of February, the bonus reading. And then PM nyo ko for your personal reading. Bye-bye, Pisces!